Hey boos! Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey! Let's keep the family growing. Okay, so today is the day that your girl finally.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me.
And I have decided to sell my bar stools. They're so pretty and I love them so much, but they keep getting so dirty whenever my son touches them. So I need to get something darker. I've listed them on Marketplace. Whatever I get them sold for is the price I'm going to spend on new bar stools. So it's going to be an even trade. But we have to get these things clean first.
Number 2, it's so much worse. Ugh. These like little hands after eating. This was particularly hard because I think that was the dirtiest one. Okay, so I get rid of the stools. Now I have to like fix the back of this. I still haven't fixed this for so long. So I think I'm gonna do some trim, add baseboard, and then just maybe keep it going up. I don't know. But I'm gonna do that. Wish your girl luck. Bye. So I took a picture of my island and I came up with this in Photoshop and it looks so good. And now my cousin is telling me that I have to do this look, and I'm just thinking about how much work it's going to be. But okay, look at this, right? And look at that. Yeah, I mean, okay, that looks really nice. So I have all my stuff here to finally go ahead and paint the back of this island, and I have my baseboard to add to the bottom of it after. Wow, this is messy. Don't mind the mess. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So next time you see it, it'll be painted. 1, 2, and so I finished painting and I started doing something else. Okay, so this is all I have done so far. I kind of just trimmed out the base of it. And my camera is literally about to die. It's flashing at me, so I think I'm just gonna add a few more, and then I have to do something about this wall here. Not sure yet. Okay, bye. Okay, so my phone is charged now, and this is what I did, and I am adding a trim to the top. I have to go ahead and put up this piece, so let's go ahead and do that. You did not get to see my face yesterday because I was busy at work and I looked a hot mess. I still look a hot mess, but now you get to see my beautiful face. Hot mess face, whatever. Anyways, so look, it's coming along so well. I'm so excited, guys. I know it's messy. I had to shave off some of the drywall to fit the covers, but I have a light covers and I have an idea for this side of the wall. I forgot to tell you guys yesterday, but I used 1x3s to make my trim pieces because, you know, your girl's broke, so you have to do what you gotta do. So what I did, I used 1x3s that I had left over from when I did my bedroom wall. I will link it right here. So what I did, I stripped it in half, right? And then each half piece, I then stripped again in half. So they're 1/4. So yes. So I used, so each piece gave me 4 pieces. Yes. So each piece, so 1/4. So this is actually already the half, and I'll go ahead and cut this again down the middle with my table saw, and that's what I use to make my trim. Touch it right here so you can see it. Ta-da! Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. I'm tired. All right, so I just went ahead and I trimmed these down to 1/4. And now, whoa. And now I have, so this is, for me, it's just a very, very cheap way to get trim wood, because these usually cost like, I want to say maybe 80 cents a square foot, and with the amount of space I'm covering, you're gonna be broke. So I decided, like as usual, I used scrap wood that I had left over from previous projects to cut these down, to make this happen. So all right, let's continue. Okay.
Please subscribe.
I still have to paint up here, but I've added the last of the trimming, and I've done all the baseboards. Look at that, y'all. Good job, Rachelle. Good job, yay! Pat myself on the shoulder, yay! So now let's just paint this in 5, 4, 3, 2. Ta-da! Whoa. My house looks like DIY puked on it. I still have a lot of trim pieces left over, but I'm gonna stop here because I have to go pick up my son. But yay! All right, I'll see you guys back here soon. New stools have arrived. Playing with numbers. What did you make? What number is that?
1001.
1001. Good job.
1003.
1003.
And that's it. Yeah.
You're so smart, baby. So while my fox counts, but counts in the thousands, I'm going to, oof, my hair looks a hot mess, and I have a boo-boo, but I'm basically done. Like, well, what did I just do? Oopsie. There you go. I'm basically done. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep. Look at my plants. Hey, plants. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep up right here so that I can, yeah, call it a day. I think I did pretty well. What do you think, Liam? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it, Liam?
Yeah, I like it.
It has the same marks on the side. That's so weird. Oh, I think the mark is where this was in between them. So I'm wondering if it'll go away.
1, 2, whoa.
So it's because they have this box in the middle and it's digging into the chair. So all 4 chairs have indentations in it. This one has a rip.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And the 4th one, and I don't know if this is like mold or dust on here. Okay, so I just spoke to Wayfair, and the customer service agent was really nice. They're going to send me replacement seats for these 2, which are the worst damaged ones. And some of the legs have scratches on them. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't see it really well. I don't know if you can see that. So a lot of the legs have scratches. But he told me that if he does, the way it's packaged is the problem. And he told me if he does a replacement order with the legs, or it's too big, they might send it exactly the same way. And I don't want to risk that. So for now, I'm just going to be okay with getting just the seats replaced. And if like later on I really can't handle the scratches, I'll probably call back and be like, yeah, I can't handle it. So, but for now, I guess I'm gonna put 2 of these together for the aesthetic. Maybe I'll put all 4 of them together, and then I'll swap out the top later once I receive them for the aesthetic. So, all right. To push you. So I fixed my hair a little bit, but I only had time to put together 1 stool, which Fox is currently using. Ta-da! So we have to go to soccer, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your I love you, latte. Bye, Moose. Thank you, my little helper.
Turn around, bud. David.
Go, Liam. Go, 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 go.